Welcome to Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. In today's competitive packaging industry, precision, speed, and consistency are everything. That's why clients worldwide trust Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. Intelligent 6-color roll-to-roll printing machine, designed to deliver unmatched performance every single time. Unlike conventional machines where drum changes slow down production and increase costs, our machine is intelligently engineered to eliminate drum changes. This not only reduces downtime but also ensures seamless operations, helping clients save time and maximize output. When it comes to printing quality, machine stability matters. Many printers face vibration issues due to lightweight construction in standard machines. But our intelligent 6-color printing machine is built with a heavyweight design, ensuring no shaking, no misalignment, and always delivering sharp, accurate printing results. Speed is another reason clients trust us. With a capacity of 70 to 100 bags per minute, our machine redefines efficiency, giving businesses the ability to scale up production without compromising on quality. Printing isn't just about ink. It's also about drying quality. Compared to other machines with smaller dryers, our intelligent machine is equipped with a large, efficient dryer that ensures faster drying, smudge-free results, and better print durability. Clients also appreciate the smart automation features, from auto-winding and rewinding to precise front and back registration. Every detail is designed to reduce manual intervention, cut labor costs, and guarantee consistent, high-quality prints across every batch with front and back print match sensor for both side printing solution in our machine. With all these innovations, no drum changes, heavy-duty stability, higher speed, larger drying capacity, and automated smart controls, our intelligent 6-color printing machine has earned the trust of industries worldwide. It's more than just a machine, it's a promise of quality, reliability, and growth for your business. Discover why the world trusts us. Choose the Five Fingers Exports Intelligent 6-Color Printing Machine, where innovation meets excellence. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.